Have you ever gazed upon the stars and felt a profound sense of wonder? Humanity has always been captivated by the mysteries of the cosmos. We yearn to understand our place in the grand tapestry of existence. This yearning has led us to explore the farthest reaches of our planet and beyond. Yet some of the most compelling enigmas lie buried in our own past. The remnants of ancient civilizations whisper tales of incredible feats and advanced knowledge. Massive stone structures, intricate carvings, and cryptic texts challenge our understanding of history. How did our ancestors, with their seemingly limited technology, achieve such marvels? Could it be that they were not alone? The possibility of extraterrestrial intervention in our distant past is a tantalizing one. It ignites our imaginations and compels us to question everything we thought we knew. What if the answers to our most enduring mysteries lie not beneath our feet, but among the stars? Join me, dear reader, as we embark on a captivating journey into the heart of ancient aliens. Together, we will explore the evidence, ponder the possibilities, and unlock the secrets of our past. Across the globe, ancient cultures share remarkably similar tales of gods descending from the heavens. These celestial beings possessed advanced knowledge and technology, sharing their wisdom with early humans. Were these deities simply figments of our ancestors' imaginations, or could they have been extraterrestrial visitors, mistaken for gods by primitive civilizations? Consider the Egyptian pyramids, colossal structures aligned with astonishing precision to the stars. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is a testament to incredible engineering prowess. Its massive stone blocks, weighing tons each, were transported and assembled with a level of accuracy that defies explanation, even today. Then there's Stonehenge, a megalithic monument in England. Its massive stones, arranged in a circular pattern, have baffled archaeologists for centuries. How were these stones, some weighing up to 50 tons, transported and erected? What purpose did this enigmatic structure serve? Conventional explanations for these ancient marvels often fall short. They fail to account for the sheer scale and complexity of these structures, especially given the limited tools and techniques available at the time. How could ancient Egyptians, for instance, have quarried, transported, and lifted massive granite blocks using only copper tools and ropes? The precision with which these structures were built is equally perplexing. The Great Pyramid's alignment with true north is accurate to within a fraction of a degree. Stonehenge's arrangement aligns with solstices and equinoxes, suggesting advanced astronomical knowledge. These feats of engineering and astronomical knowledge seem to defy the capabilities of ancient civilizations. Is it possible that these structures were not built by human hands alone? Could they be the remnants of ancient alien technology, evidence of a time when extraterrestrial beings walked among us? Our journey into the past takes us beyond towering structures to ancient texts and artifacts. These relics, often dismissed as mythology or religious symbolism, may hold tantalizing clues to extraterrestrial contact. The ancient Sumerian civilization, for instance, left behind detailed accounts of the Anunnaki, powerful beings who descended from the heavens. These gods possessed advanced knowledge and technology, playing a pivotal role in Sumerian mythology and the creation of humankind. Similarly, ancient Indian texts such as the Mahabharata and the Ramayana describe vimanas, flying machines capable of traversing vast distances and engaging in aerial warfare. These descriptions are remarkably detailed, suggesting more than mere flights of fancy. Section 5. The Legacy of the Ancient Astronauts. If, as some believe, extraterrestrial beings did visit Earth in the distant past, what impact did they have on human civilization? Could they have been the catalyst for the sudden leaps in knowledge and technology that we observe throughout history? The ancient astronaut theory posits that these extraterrestrial visitors shared their knowledge with our ancestors, influencing the development of agriculture, mathematics, astronomy, and even religion. Could this explain the remarkable similarities in myths and legends across cultures separated by vast distances and time? Consider the Dogon tribe of Mali, Africa. For centuries they have possessed detailed knowledge of the Sirius star system, including the existence of a white dwarf star, Sirius B, long before its discovery by modern astronomers. The Dogon claim that their knowledge was passed down from the Namo, amphibious beings who visited Earth from Sirius in ancient times. Section 6. A Universe of Possibilities. The possibility of ancient alien intervention is a paradigm shift, challenging our understanding of history and our place in the cosmos. It forces us to confront the possibility that we are not alone in the universe, and that our planet has been visited by intelligent beings from other worlds. The evidence for ancient aliens is often circumstantial, open to interpretation and debate, but the sheer volume of unexplained phenomena, from ancient structures to cryptic texts, demands further investigation. We must approach these mysteries with open minds, willing to consider alternative explanations and challenge conventional thinking. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders beyond our current comprehension. To limit our thinking to what we believe to be possible is to deny ourselves the opportunity to unlock the true secrets of our past and our place in the cosmos. Section 7. Join the quest for truth. The search for evidence of ancient aliens is not a solitary pursuit, it's a global quest, driven by curiosity, a thirst for knowledge, and a desire to uncover the truth about our past. Researchers, archaeologists, historians, and enthusiasts from all walks of life are joining forces to explore the mysteries of our ancient past. We are living in an exciting time, a time of unprecedented discovery and technological advancement. With each passing day, new tools and techniques emerge, allowing us to delve deeper into the past and uncover the secrets hidden within ancient artifacts and structures. The answers we seek may lie buried beneath the sands of time, hidden within ancient texts, or encoded in the very structures our ancestors left behind. But one thing is certain: the quest for truth is an endeavor worth undertaking. Section 8. Unlocking the secrets of our past. Unlocking the secrets of our past is not merely an academic exercise. It has the potential to reshape our understanding of ourselves, our place in the universe, and our destiny as a species. If we can prove that we were visited by extraterrestrial beings in the past, it would fundamentally change our perspective on human history and our place in the cosmos. Imagine the implications if we could decipher the technology of the ancients, if we could unlock the secrets of their advanced knowledge. It could revolutionize our understanding of energy, transportation, medicine, and countless other fields. The possibilities are truly endless. But to unlock these secrets, we must be willing to question everything, to challenge the status quo, and to embrace the unknown. Section 9. Keep exploring the cosmos. The journey into the mysteries of ancient aliens is just beginning. It's a journey that will take us to the farthest reaches of our planet, the depths of our history, and the limits of our imagination. Along the way, we will encounter evidence that challenges our beliefs, inspires our curiosity, and expands our understanding of what it means to be human. I invite you to join me on this extraordinary adventure. Explore the evidence, ponder the possibilities, and draw your own conclusions. The truth, as they say, is out there, and it's waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to our channel and join the conversation as we continue to explore the mysteries of ancient aliens and the universe around us.